Yeah, go on later. Tomorrow I'm very strong, you know. Come on, country from Friday, and I say no. I go on hold on. And I say, I'm left out the house to go and ring to me. I say, yo. But I complain still.
See.
Just chat.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Story is a nice story.
What that?
The one with the 40 and the whole.
Oh, last night.
Yeah, man.
Only video that we get for that. Yo, I did that video last night. I have to jump asleep for the brother. You're like tired, man.
Because when you see it, I say, John, man.
It's inspiring, man.
Yeah, man, it's inspiring, man. It goes to show that, say, yo, nothing can stop with it, man. We don't want to be stopped, you understand?
Never too old, brother.
Never too old, man.
For 20 years, you want to pass one safety subject.
20 years, General, for pass one subject. Yo, but you pass good.
Yeah,
Never stop
never
trying.
stop. When she started college, she never ready because she didn't need maths. But the agreement was that she had to pass it before she graduated, you see me? You know, say added motivation that so.
Very man.
She done up her thing.
So I think you set up brother.
Yeah, man. A couple of them saw they were because they all have a brother where use a white car glass.
Yeah, man, you see the one
there
little. You see the one little.
So, brother, you see, the reality is that some people, the first thing they're going to find excuses. Excuses now do nothing better.
More than you find excuses not to pursue what you want.
Last time I come here to me, tell me, say, oh, it's better to progress from yesterday the door than no more from yesterday.
Yeah.
See, our next brother over there downtown, and I say that every day, you know, so push on car hard. And the man I say, yo, the car thing, it don't make no sense because there are some people, a styling thing, they carry them load and them do anything. The man say, yo, go on, man, you stop pushing car and start, make them, sir.
Stop.
The man say about 20 grand on average for a car, brother, and he make a car per day. So if you do the maths, so rent and him rent, and him store them, for a fee, you understand? So when you do the maths, see, the man earn. So you make, when I think I say you make 7 cards, so you make 5 cards for the 20 grand, brother. So I must say, yeah, man.
Reality, man.
That's how we not earn that amount, bro.
I don't lie. How are you talk?
See me? I know how much money they decide, so we're going to make some cards. Man, I go look on that and laugh. Because when you start, man, I'll tell him to go and move from here, so I know I can go. Okay, I'm not linking back yet, man, but just more different. To take on our time. Because I don't tell us, I must say machine time, I just your opinion, you see me?
And we are two of them are going on our right.
I tell him that the last time I talked to him, so now we're dead, man.
The last certain time,
Anytime the link maker will be the right time, the best time for you, you understand?
Really, man.
So.
Sometimes we just click on the video and I don't even look how much stuff they have. Last night I look on it and I said, what here? I said, I go on with that.
People, they might come in, man.
Yeah, man.
Because there are some other things I do with a couple of days when I upload and I try to upload at least once every day, bro. You see me? So.
The video them really have taken on the world, really have taken on the
yeah, man, since the months are two of the three videos them I'm going to go to a trend, bro. So them not trend for long, you see me? Just to get a drone and balance out everything. Yeah, man.
You want a good one though?
Brother, you know, I'm not spend no money on wise, bro. I do research, man, everything, man.
Yeah, I have a whole little thing when you got a drone in the world.
Never chimney.
Which is right.
Everyone can, you know, everybody sees it.
Yeah.
Never call the person and make me cancel this.
It's in my benefit to him.
Not just brother, because I'm not going to do something.
Because honestly, you know, I'm not too much news anymore, because you don't know. The plug and then get better. And pick up. You see it?
You understand? Sometimes some story report when I'm 2 or 3 days,
yeah, man. Some people are saying, when they are saying, some people are saying, where do you know that from?
Where?
Tape it up, brother.
Fireman. Man, them man, they are legend, man.
Yo, them man, they're not even have a hit song.
Sir.
Them man, they're not even have a hit song.
Them man, they are mic and a stage.
Yeah.
And a problem.
problem, my brother.
I win is the next man. I win catalog now speak as stuff man. But we never say I win feel on a stage show yet, brother.
True.
The agents are stuff. Never say them on the field. You understand?
Yes, a stinger.
So but when I send time, you see the photo of the
Send done. All that
I like Pokemon last send time and sting man. And sting is like the sting that it used to use. You understand? If I do the same sting, you know. And
Yeah.
I'm
You know, nice, nice. Support the team.
Support them, man.
Support the team, nice.
Nice, man. At 3 years, I want to go to Sting and feel like I want to think back in the last 3 years, Sting keep on, man. At 5 o'clock, you walk out of January, and you walk out of January at 8 o'clock, 8:30.
Exactly. Man, thing. I say I'm an artist who made a really go take in, otherwise I'm keep it on right now.
Artists to them, man. Artists to them, man.
Why am I not listening to that?
Them taking Ragging King.
No, sir, I'm not taking right.
Yeah, man, them taking Ragging.
You know why?
Them taking Ragging King at
Alright,
like.
let me show you why I wouldn't take in right.
Them taking Massacre.
Alright.
Massacre mature, I think, and then brother.
Yeah, mature, no.
That man on stage, you know.
Immature, but how would take in riding? I'm going to tell you why. The thing when come out.
Put it on.
Yeah, man, I'm not read the song.
But you see, every man make mistake and every killer meet a portion of one with that man, you know. You see me? I can look on Rodney and say Rodney is still legend. He might say make some mistake. Every Ragging King, the young brother, you know the man is all about the guy. If you have time to learn. You see me?
Well,
you can't endorse him, Max. You can't have a responsibility like that and tell you them crap still. You see me? But the man different still, Max. And I tell you, the man sound different.
Yeah,
but everything different about the artist. You see me? So what we should be able to put in the power.
Put in the power. Oh yeah, all that.
What's a parole in the road for the parole? You know
that?
At 2 years.
But I wonder why you get manslaughter charge, brother, for you.
Guilty, brother. That you know. Because even the ex-soldier were killing ex-girlfriend. One nurse a sentence there last year. And 19 years you get, bro.
19?
Yeah, man, can plead guilty.
Walk over that.
Yeah, 16 years before parole. But what I'm just saying, you know, man, them use to get out of prison, bro. Every man has them are Christian.
True, you know?
And yeah, so your man change and thing. You understand, man?
True, yeah.
Reform and rehabilitation has occurred. Nothing like that. Because most of the man, them don't repeat of
them know there's a motive.
So I must say right now, it's like man, them blind to the thing because
true, they
there are so many, what do you mean if they realize, man? But the reality is that the security council, they meet about a week or so ago. And then out of the meeting, a proposal they drafted so they have to review the parole process too. So, because they realize what going on. Because you really jerk them. Kevin Tyndale, the man Joel and them used to run Gideon Warriors. Didn't get parole the other day in there with 40 years in getting in there with already.
Oh, right. So how much I can get?
Certain man not forget parole, brother. Work like for a death penalty now.
Yeah, man, some man can't rehabilitate it over that. Some man just have a sickness in the ground.
Most of the man them a repeat offender, bro.
Yeah, man just have a sickness, brother.
See?
Because I like them brother there. But him kill himself still.
Yeah. Can't kill himself. We done with it. From day one and all people and people.
Yeah, man, I say.
So all of that is just move and I say, yo, him take responsibility for him action.
For him action, him done to the people.
And he never have no previous conviction.
Yeah.
Plus, about chips. So yeah, brother. Jamaican man, I'm a nature man.
Yeah, I better think that. Yes, better that. Each birthday, you know, is a life and death situation to both parties. You understand what I mean? So when we look on it, I don't think it's a happy birthday as a lot of people see it. You understand what I mean? I think it's a time for you take time out and reflect and say, boy, look what we look on the world, in the world, man. Look what really, you know, look on the struggles. I see a way life stay that. See a way, see a way that. So when they look at the man, that alone tell a man say,
conception is
brother,
that's permanent, brother.
that's the reason
I want the connection.
Exactly. That's the reason why a man must not be afraid to say, watch out. Never try to see if this can work for me. Yeah, man, yeah, we not better. None of them are you, brother.
None of them.
Not one of them, so I see you when they come here and deal with it. That struggle speak me that word, brother. Just think about it, brother. That struggles put up on this other struggles. Real struggles because guess I said more. I pay, nurse, doctor. That struggles then when I really pray and meditate it, the struggle's real. The struggle's real, man. If you find out where it was,
someone of them used to say about that them thing now. Sweet my room and all it. So then can't use our lecture in there teachers because you know it's a whole. Only hear from the man, head man, and face of that.
yes, sir.
Yeah, use the ball. So the roads they are painting, you know? So I say that I really want to that. You know what you say that
You see.
no senseless body, you know what I need that.
I see what you're saying, man.
I'm shake up some people. But the reality in life, you know. In order for you to change, you know, you have to disrupt.
Yeah.
The existence of that first, you know, making sure that you have to disrupt, man. The people are in the comfort zone and thing. You know, people are resistant thing and you know, I achieve nothing without some resistance. So I don't like to challenge too, so she can run me, you know. Think good, man. Think good, man. I said, I'm on this, you know. I thought I got it and nothing I work with losing myself. Yeah, so much to gain, so you know what thing to lose. Someone fear rejection, but you have to get it in life.
You have to get that in life, but you know we should buy it.
Rejection will fear everybody, right? You have to take care of it.
Yeah, just exactly. I know when
Like, go up to someone who has
brush up on and something. See,
import that man, but boy, I had to let that guy in there.
yeah, whereas the more time you see them just a push out.
No, that's, you know. Someone here, that's no yes. And here goes some place.
We don't want to. Yeah, man, big up everybody, man, who watch Teach Them, man. See that Chris Plaza, you see me? Max the Barber, you see me? Big up on yourself.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.